For UNA President, we had two contestants. We had Mr. Patrick Ogwang. On Saturday, he had 127 votes. On Sunday, he had 98 votes, totaling it to 216. Then we had Mr. Lambert Etipot. He had 280 votes on Saturday, 142 votes on Sunday, totaling it to 422 votes. Your new UNA president is Mr. Lambert Etipot.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher.
Congratulations, Mr. President, and your entire executive team and the council members. This year we are going to have a symbolic transfer of power by handing over the US flag, a country we call home, to the incoming president.
Thank you, Madam.
Your new UNA Vice President is Mr. Charles Bukenya Mugawanga.
What he says I am, where he says I'm at, I